It's the 21st century, and that means tech is constantly evolving. Innovation is the name of the game these days, and companies are coming out with some insane tools. These new products are part of a whole new generation of technology, and they're basically guaranteed to knock your socks off. Today, we're going to introduce you to 12 members of the new generation of tools. So throw out your grandpa's old toolbox and get ready to level up your game. Number 12. Let's start off by measuring the future. Now, we know it's pretty surprising to see a tape measure on this list, but trust us when we say this tool has come a long way. The T1 Tomahawk digital tape measure is a professional tool with a host of crazy new features. It features an ergonomic design that gives users a firm grip, high durability thanks to its thermoplastic blade coating, and a carrying clip that keeps things portable. But that's not all. The T1 has a digital display that uses laser projection to take you to the next level of precision. What's more, you can do incremental measurements, connect with ROK's mobile app to share data, and analyze your readings with all kinds of layouts and calculations. As if that wasn't enough, the T1 is set to stay at the top of its game thanks to regular software updates via the accompanying ROK app. It's truly the future of measurement. Number 11. Hey, Tom Cruise, get a load of this. If you've ever been in the Constitution business or had to fix a leaky pipe, you'll know how useful wall scanners are. Well, the wall scanner we're about to show you is a massive upgrade on those. Honestly, the Bosch Wall Scanner DTEC200C is like one of the gadgets you'd see in a Mission Impossible movie. The Bosch DTEC200C actually uses advanced radar technology to locate objects. Whether it's wooden studs, live cables, magnetic metals, or plastic pipes, this wall scanner can detect it all. And that's not all. This particular scanner comes packing a new screenshot feature. That means you can document all your detection results and download them later using a USB cable or micro SD card. So if you need to scan a wall for wires, metals, or leaky pipes, the DTEC200 is for you. Number 10. Ever wanted to feel like Cyclops from the X-Men? This tool may be for you. The Jet Laser by 4Jet is a one-man cleaning unit that uses lasers in an all-new way. This manual laser cleaning system is perfect for factory use, and it comes with some major advantages over the competition. Seriously, the Jet Laser is the high-tech cleaner of the future. This cleaning system is completely contact-free, and that means your products will be safe from damage at all times. What's more, it's environmentally friendly since it uses lasers. How's that work? Well, laser cleaning is a dry process, so it produces less waste, uses fewer consumables, and has way lower operating costs. That sounds like a pretty great deal if you ask us. Honestly, it looks like laser technology is going to be all the rage in industry soon. We're not getting the blasters from Star Wars in the near future, but the tech is great for cleaning appliances, removing disgusting molds, and taking out rust. All that without needing to touch anything. That's pretty sweet. Number 9. It's fast, efficient, and deadly. Say hello to the Speed Heater Cobra. Everyone's heard the phrase time is money, but folks who invented the Speed Heater Cobra live by those words. How do we know? Well, this gadget is one of the quickest, most efficient machines in its category. It's a lifesaver for DIY fans and a great addition to any toolbox. What's it do? Well, the Speed Heater Cobra is an infrared paint stripper, and it's a marvel. This thing strips paint, varnish, putty, and adhesives off surfaces like they were never even there. It's also easy to handle, with an adjustable head that rests safely on its support bar. And get this, it works on multiple surfaces, including wood and marble. It's actually the fastest infrared paint remover on the market, and that's all thanks to the 20 years of testing that went into it. With results like this, we definitely believe it. Number 8. LiftRight with LiftRight, the electric chair climber. Say goodbye to your days of dragging luggage up the steps, because the LiftRight electric stair climber is here. This innovative tool makes carrying things up the stairs feel like a piece of cake. Groceries, TVs, or boxes, the LiftRight electric stair climber can carry it all. With 2 different climbing modes, it'll carry you up the stairs at whatever pace you want. Feeling like the single step option is slowing you down? Kick it up to the continuous climbing mode and cruise on up. But what if you need to carry stuff down? No problem at all. The stair climber actually has an automatic braking function for the end of each step. That's because safety comes first when it comes to heights, and this is one climber that takes care of you. Seriously, the LiftRight is going to make your life way easier. Number 7. Next, let's make the construction yard a little less taxing. These days, construction workers are putting their physical health on the line every day, and it's about time we got some tech to make their lives easier. That's where the Hilti SDT9 comes in. This stand-up handle is here to make construction sites a lot more bearable. Good health is all about maintaining good posture. You've probably had a yoga instructor tell you that at some point in your life, and it's true. With the upright working position it offers to users, the SDT9 ensures construction workers don't need to break their back screwing in bolts and nuts. It also comes with a compatible cordless screwdriver and a nose piece that ensures high productivity. That means construction workers are able to work faster than ever while saving themselves a lot of pain. That's why with the SDT9, everybody wins. Number 6. Now let's discuss a new twist to an old friend. You might think power tools are old school, but that just means you haven't heard of the Nemo power tools. They're compact, cordless, and more powerful than ever. What's more, these tools are waterproof and water safe. That means you can literally use them underwater. You heard that right. Nemo Power Tools just introduced its new waterproof drill, and it's designed for wet environments and underwater use. It can basically be used anywhere. Swimming pools, bathrooms, aquariums, you name it. It's also great for use at docks and boating venues, as well as in marine environments. Yep, saltwater hasn't got anything on this drill. You can use it in salt, fresh, and chlorinated water up to 16 feet deep without any issues. With this in your back pocket, your toolset becomes amphibious. Number 5. Here comes a useful tool with a weird name. Don't you guys hate the gaps between walls and tables? Well, we've got just the thing to make your room look more symmetrical. Thingamajig Precision Tools have invented a scribing tool for just this purpose. This device is installed with tungsten carbide blades that work on almost anything. That includes stone, painted items, or even soft metals. This scribing tool also reduces chipping and can be used with one hand. That'll give you the freedom to steady yourself or the item you're working on with your other palm. It's pretty awesome. This tool is perfect for polishing up your room. The ability to tell your friends and family you own a thingamajig is just an added bonus. Number 4. Strengthen some weak bonds with this super welding machine. This next tool is a shout out to all you civil engineers. Leicester's new Weldplast 605 has broken new ground in terms of welding. How, you may ask? Well, the tool is Leicester's biggest extruder yet. With its high output of 13.2 pounds per hour and its slim design, it checks all the boxes. The bow handle of the Weldplast 605 enables the person using the tool to be balanced while also offering different handle positions. Seriously, welding has never been easier. If that wasn't enough, both its motors are brushless. That makes this extruder more durable and way less likely to give you maintenance issues. So if you're in the civil engineering department and you need to weld stuff together, look no further. The Weldplast 605 is definitely worth it. Number 3. You'll like to move it because that's all you need to do for your measuring tasks. Everyone's got to learn how to take measurements at some point in their lives. It's basically a rite of passage for growing up, but taking measurements can be a real pain. Don't worry though, because Mosher I is coming in clutch. With powerful motion sensors, this device has levels of accuracy and versatility that other measuring apps can only dream of. Seriously, all you have to do is move around, and the Mosher I will take care of the rest. Taking measurements has never been easier, so if you're moving to a new house and need to take dimensions, be sure to take Mosher I with you. Number 2. Next up is the Metabo MT-LTX-BL-QSL. No, Elon Musk didn't name this power tool. Here's a tool that's got a bit of a mouthful for a name. Don't mind that though, because this device is more than qualified to be on this list. It's an oscillating multi-cutter tool that offers high performance without any cords. The MT is ideal for dust-free, precise cutting, and it can sand and scrape a ton of different materials. Get this! The slim design and soft non-slip grip optimizes handling to keep you in control, while the magnetic holder allows for quick tool changes. The MT even has an extra bright LED light attached. That's definitely going to make dark working areas a lot easier to power through. As if that weren't enough, it's also efficient and precise while cutting. Give it a try, thank us later. Number 1. No X-ray vision, no problem. Studmark is here to help. We're pretty sure only Superman has the ability to see through walls, but that doesn't mean we can't get there with technology. Here's a gadget that'll make spotting studs and walls easier than ever. It's called the Stud Mark. This thing is compact, easy to use, and doesn't require any batteries. On top of all that, it won't leave any marks on your surfaces. All you have to do is move the stud mark along the wall in the shape of a Z. The stud mark's powerful magnets just latch onto the spot where the stud is embedded. You can even use 2 additional magnetic markers to mark spots, all without scratching the surface. That makes the stud mark the perfect tool to find wall studs while keeping your hands free and your walls clean. Alright, which of these tools are you going to buy first? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to TechJoint, and we'll see you in the next one.